I like to record whenever I do something new, something like a garden hack or something like that. So, well, those noises are from a little friend here. So she's gonna be honking throughout. She's very cute. But anyways, I have these shovels, right? Like this, right? Fiberglass shovels. Because in my area, it gets really hot. So if you have a wooden shovel, right, and you don't take care of it, because like at the end of the day, you dig a hole, you probably leave it there. You're busy, you're doing XYZ. Well, in the sun, it seems like the fiberglass has, show you, like degraded. So now every time that you use a shovel, you get fiberglassy, right? Now in my time in the military, I remember we had like this shrink tubing that we would put on Detroit switches, right? And it was pretty thick stuff. Yeah? Well, this pretty thick stuff, right? Well, it's become a lot cheaper. I found like a whole thing of them, right? On Amazon for like $6. Well, there is wraps that you can put on shovels, but the wrap was like $30. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm documenting this, right? Because I'm just gonna slide it over and use my also trusty heat gun and see how all that will work and obviously hold up to the elements. More or less, literally just gonna put her in and use the heat gun and shrink wrap it, see how that goes. I'm gonna obviously have to trim some because it's quite long. I've made sure to go over the like right here there's like a, you'll see when one's in shrink wrap, because I want like maximum protection. I want it to slip out. And right here I can feel the handle area is a little bit shorter, so I cut above it. So I'm gonna pull it out real quick and I guess have some more right here. That's what I was talking about. I wanted to essentially go over that. So once it shrinks, right, because it's a 3-1, so it'll shrink down to a significantly smaller area. And we still have some of the rubber handle in here, and this in theory should be as simple as start hitting it with a heat gun. And now we wait, increase the temperature, and now we do this. I want to keep just moving from area to area. Do not use a torch for this, because the material is kind of flammable. I know some people use lighters and stuff like that, but as you can see, with some persuasion, it shrinks down. And it goes by pretty quickly, right? I just like to work in sections and do it nice and smooth so you don't get like extra texture. You don't end up getting veins looking like candy bar or something like that. But I mean, this is holding up pretty well, and the stuff is pretty tough. I've seen it hold up to quite a bit of abuse. 5 or 10ish minutes later, right, we have our shovel wrapped. One thing that I really recommend is working a little slow on it, because if not, sometimes you get this part of it looks like that, and now the handle kind of looks veiny, and well, right here at the neck, you know, that's gonna get somebody excited. But anyways, this is a really good way to be able to take your tools, right? And now we can continue to use the tools and we don't hurt ourselves. Honestly, I'm surprised Wrangle Star didn't come up with this one first, but it works, and now the shovel can be back out in service again. Instead of wasting another $45, however much it was, now spend 10, then I have to wrap it in electrical tape or something like that, and it works, and this is gonna work indefinitely. This stuff lasts a very long time. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope I give you a good idea.